back to the garage, man. Today, well, actually, let me start off by saying I hope you guys had an amazing weekend, man. I literally spent my whole entire weekend working on these damn wheels right here, and which just is a little bit of a teaser. And I'm nowhere near done, bro. Nowhere near done. It's a lot of work trying to refurbish a set of two-piece wheels, but since I was not able to get that video done over the weekend, I figured I would start off today with something a little bit easier so I can knock a video out for Monday for you guys. So we got a bunch of packages in for the S10, a bunch of stuff that I'm excited about, and I'm sure you could probably guess who it came from. Yeah, man, LMC Truck. LMC Truck came in a huge freaking way, dude. Definitely a shout out to them. I'll have all their information in the description down below. Links to their website, link to their Instagram. Go throw them a follow. If you guys are looking for anything for your trucks, just go check out their website, see if they got it. I can almost guarantee you they do, especially if you've got an S10. But moving on, let's get all this stuff opened up and see what we got, man. I'm especially excited for the big box. Oh shoot. This, if it's not obvious, is a brand new rubber mat for the truck. So currently the mat that's in there is a little beat, and it does come with a new little foam pad to go on the bottom, dude, some insulation. So whenever we do get the truck, now a lot of this stuff, I should pre-warn you, a lot of this stuff is going to be for after we get the truck all reassembled, from after painting it and cleaning it up and everything. So whenever we do that, I'll put the new mat inside of there. Currently, the mat that's in here, this thing is beat, bro. Look at that. Yeah, that's pretty freaking beat. And there's that rust I was talking about before. I never showed you guys this, but none of it's rotted all the way through. So I think it's probably not as bad as it looks, but this is the reason why I'm going to go ahead and use that other cab, because that other cab is just in like perfect condition. So that's the plan, dude, is to just go ahead and use that other cab so we can avoid having to deal with all this. But anyhow, the mat that's in here is just shot, and the other cab out back, that other truck, doesn't have anything at all. So if you guys didn't know, I want this to be kind of a street car, not like a drag car. So I do want it to have carpet. Well, not carpet, but a rubber mat. I think a rubber mat be freaking perfect. So anyhow, I'm gonna try to get this back in the box for safekeeping. I can't believe I actually got that back in the box. That never happens. It's one of those things that never happens. Moving on. Bubbles. 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. Box in a box. Yeah. Oh my god. That is so freaking sick, dude. Holy crap. Dude, another box in a box. Come on around here. This is exciting, bro. This again is one of those things that we're not going to use until after we get done painting the truck and everything. But bro, this is going to be one of those like final touches that really just sets this truck off. This is all the damn rubber, dude. Like, this is all the door sill rubber. I believe window trim. I'm pretty sure that the window trim was in here as well, like that rear window trim. But yeah, this is supposed to be the entire rubber setup. Now this over here is for the actual like door. I'll just show you. I don't know how to say it. So this is going to be all the rubber that goes all the way around the doors right here, right? So unfortunately on this truck it is all like painted white. You see how like brittle it is? So all this rubber right here is up there, brand new. And then this rubber that's on the inside, this runs all the way down inside of the track. So it's, I don't know, it's a pain in the ass to pull. Like, you're supposed to take this stuff out whenever you take the windows out, because that's what gives you the little extra room to actually get the glass out. But whenever you try to take this rubber out, it's so brittle, it just cracks and falls apart. So we got all brand new rubber for that. And then we also got all this right here, this stuff that you see how like this piece is just all smashed and broken up. So all this rubber right here is all in that kit, and it's all going to be brand new whenever we refresh the truck. And I also think that this, I don't know if it's the rear one. I actually think that Josh ended up ordering the front one, so I might still need to get a rear one. I don't know, but either way, I'm sure any of you guys would agree that this right here is huge, man. Like, I wish that they had something like this for like the Hondas, you know what I'm saying? Like, well, luckily I was blessed with good rubber on that car whenever I got it, so all I had to do was just clean it up and put it back on. But this is a game changer, bro. This is huge. Definitely excited about that. That's gonna make it just that much nicer whenever we go to reassemble this truck after paint. I don't know what was in this one. What is it? Oh, this is that grill. You guys already seen this. Yeah, you guys already seen this. This is a brand new front grille for the truck. I ended up ordering this at the same time I got that parts truck, and the parts truck actually had a clean one, though again that one is in better condition than this one is, even because obviously it's brand new. So this is another thing that I figured we would wait until after the truck is all repainted and freshened up, and then we'll put the brand new grill on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this aside with all the rest of the stuff. This is getting exciting, bro. Like, I need to get going on painting this damn truck, because it's gonna be like a brand new freaking truck, man. I'm so stoked for this. I'll put that away with all the other stuff. Alright, now as for the big box, we do get to install this on the truck today. This is one of the things that I am probably the most excited for. It has been absolutely killing me not to open this damn box, bro. So finally, let's get into this. Look at what, oh my god, bro. That is a huge ass bump. Dude, that is so sick. Oh my god. Bro, that is freaking nuts. Look at the back, dude. Alright, so I'm not gonna lie, man, I was really stoked when I got this hood. I wasn't excited about the condition it's in, but you guys already know, like, I plan on cleaning it up, sanding it, getting rid of some of the scratches and whatnot. This is not a steel hood. This is a fiberglass hood. So, but let me tell you, just because it's fiberglass doesn't make this thing light by any means. This hood, I swear to you, is probably heavier than the stock hood. I wouldn't doubt that that hood is heavier than this hood. And this is a steel hood. Well, I don't know. This hood's pretty heavy. But anyhow, like, dude, look at the quality of this thing, bro. Like, look at the body lines in it. Look at that freaking center body line. Look at that. Dude, that thing is so freaking sharp. I don't know. In comparison, man, like, this was a cool hood. Like, I was excited when I got it, but at the same time, I just wasn't stoked about the condition of it. Not to mention, I think this is like a 2-inch cowl, where this is a 4-inch cowl, so much taller, bro. It's gonna give us such a meaner look. And this, on the other hand, I cannot wait, bro. I'm sorry, I can't wait to put this on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on right now. Besides, I figured I may as well go ahead and get this hood up for sale. So we'll go ahead and get this one put on. I can put this one inside of the box it came in, and we'll take some pictures of it and get this thing up for sale and get rid of the old crap and put the new, beautiful, glorious Alright guys, there it is, man. That's the new hood from LMC. Definitely a huge difference from that fiberglass one that we had on here, man. Like, the back of it even looks cool. I don't know. I really dig this hood. Made a huge freaking difference to the appearance of the truck. And this one definitely fits a lot better than what that fiberglass one did. You guys already know we have an entire other body basically that we are going to be painting for this truck. But dude, that hood is so freaking sexy, man. Good Lord. Anyhow guys, I need to run and go pick up some supplies so that I can get these damn wheels done. So that is where we are headed off to now. Look at the inside view. That is so freaking sick, man. Now I gotta make the truck sound like it needs that hood, right? Jesus. Yes, sir. Old school paint. Feels like forever since we've been here. You know what that means? There goes $100. Freaking sexy ass. Well, I failed once again. Stuff up in here. So, 1 gallon kit. I got the 2 can. It's a 4-to-1, and this is the hardener for it. Came out to 103 bucks. What did I tell you, man? I cannot go to old school without spending at least $100. Where's my damn keys at? Did I lose my keys? My back pocket. When do I ever put my keys in my back pocket? All right, back to the house. Is that a Supra? Alright, we got our clear coat kit, so now I'll be able to continue on these damn wheels. I'll tell you what, man, I've already got probably 30 hours invested into working on those damn things. Anyhow, guys, put in the comments what you think of the new hood. I think it just most certainly hits different, man. I've already got the old hood packed up and put away. That thing I'll be posting up for sale here pretty soon. Huge shout out to LMC, of course. Once again, go throw them a follow on Instagram, and I'll also have a link to their website in the description down below. We asked if they had any like promotional codes or something, but I don't, like, LMC doesn't really do that. So hear me out though. Their company, the thing is they have their stuff priced so low already as it is. Like, you can search things, in which I did. Like, for instance, tail lights for this truck on eBay were like $80, $90. I'm on LMC's website right now, dude. These tail lights for my truck, look at that, $12 a piece, bro. $11.95 each. That goes for like these mirrors as well. I think I paid like $12 a piece for these mirrors. That grill that I showed you guys earlier for the truck that I ordered from LMC, I got it pulled up right here. $36.95 for that. And this is with the information of my truck put in. This is all the categories they have. So door parts, fuel system, grills, mirrors, body parts, bumpers, suspension, cooling, heating, interior, lighting, steering, accessories. I know they have had just about everything for my truck that I have needed whenever I went to their website looking for it. So if you guys have a truck that you're looking for parts for, man, go check out their website. I can almost guarantee you that they're gonna have it. And if you have to, look the same parts up on eBay. I guarantee you they're not only gonna beat the price, quality that you're gonna get from LMC is top tier, man. I haven't got a single thing from them that hasn't come very well packaged. Everything I have received, there hasn't been anything damaged. Most certainly came fast, bro. Every time they always estimate the shipping to be, you know, 2 or 3 weeks, and it always ends up coming within 3 or 4 days. But anyhow, I most certainly appreciate them taking care of me. I appreciate them as a company and what they offer. I hope you guys check them out. Peace out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Back to my freaking nightmare.
I look real good today.